times like that.
It's beautiful.
Those fingernails would be famous.
Yes, you can tell I like art. Got the tattoos and the nails. It's cool, isn't it? I could never have designed something this cool.
I bet you could. If I can do it, you can do it. And you are. Are you good at art?
Well,
I bet you are. Teachers are, I find. Because you have to do displays on the walls and things like
yeah,
that.
I'm okay at copying things, but I'm not very good at creating my own ideas. Very false. I think I'm good at creating my own ideas. I think you're just too kind to me, Holly.
Okay, give me a thumb because I don't want to go over your tattoos. Let's just see if we can do something here.
And then the Andrew as well. Normally you wouldn't have to get all the other way around. One day, yeah. Yeah, where does your brother live? Oh, where does he work? Right now!
There's no end to it.
Yeah, no, I can carry on, I could. That's why I like the children's designs because they've designed something simple where I don't have to get carried away.